Sadhu's Fun World! Taksim Square is a famous square in Istanbul. It is a central hub known for its vibrant atmosphere, historical significance, and cultural importance. The square is surrounded by shops, restaurants, and hotels. There are many important landmarks. For example, Ataturk Cultural Center. And this is the Dal Street. When I entered there, I could smell kebabs, the Turkish tea, and so much more.
Zedu!
Guys, the place! So we entered the restaurant and looked at the variety of salads. Hard to choose, but they all look so yummy. Guys, so we just got into this restaurant. It's nighttime and we are in the cruise. Look, it is flags over there. The Pakistani flag, the blue flag, Russian flag. Flag over there. Whoa! Look, Portuguese flag over there. These are the views you can enjoy from your cruise. I finished the broccoli. I used to not eat, and but when I was a baby, I loved it. And now I'm back to the diet. The basilic extreme is fascinating underground reservoir located in Istanbul. It was built during the Byzantine period. There are hundreds of beautiful marbles that hold the serene strong. The reflection on these marbles make a beautiful view. I'm sure when you will come over here, you will love it. The morning tickets are higher than the night tickets. I was truly amazed to see this beautiful underground structure. The Blue Mosque is also known as Sultan Ahmet Mosque. It was built by Ottomans in 1609 and was still the best. It is still one of the best tourist attractions. Hi guys, finally we will eat pizza. Guys, always take share a great detail with you later. Guys, this is the end of our trip. Who knows where we're going next? But at least it was a surprise. Maybe we're going to go to South Asia.